What have we do to get your love? Yeah, I don't give you all.
What's up, everybody? My name is Brian Aquara, and today I'm live here at the premiere for Dead Expensive, the movie, happening here at the Oriental Hotel in Lagos, Victoria Island. That's what's up. It's Spice TV, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned. You know when the gist is hot and the news is fresh. You know it's Spice TV, right? So keep it locked. See you again. My name has been Brian Aquara, and I'll see you soon. Peace.
My name is Inamde. I'm at Oriental Hotel for the Dead Expensive premiere movie. I'm looking forward to the exciting elements of the movie and hoping to have fun. I'm wearing an outfit from Robe's Design. He's one of my very good friends. So it's, as you can see, his work is wonderful. So
Finally, you have to pay 25,000 naira. Let me have my 25,000 naira.
10,000 naira.
10,000! My dear, please give him 15,000 naira.
You gave me money to go and prepare food for them. Their father, when their father was alive, what did he do for you?
Okay, I'm Nonso. I'm here to watch Dead Expensive. Hopefully it will be awesome like it's been previewed so far. My outfit was styled by my friend, Sedume. You can check him out on Instagram.
My name is Dr. Ike Chukuma. I'm here for the premiere of the movie Dead Expensive. I won't say I'm a big fan of the director Noba, but I've seen a couple of his movies and I'm really thrilled to see this. I'm looking forward to seeing May Bishop, who I've been following for a while. So I hope this movie will be fun. And shout out to those who are here to see the movie, and I hope they check it out. My outfit is just a local tailor that helped me do it. A friend of mine, actually.
My name is Isioma Mula, the producer of Dead Expensive. And I'm wearing Miriam Babs, piece put in together by my younger sister. The story was written and directed by Mr. Noba Awa, a very good director. I came across a few, but he's so good that I probably want to work with him for a very long time because we have that sister to brother relationship. So yeah, it was fun working with him. The cast and crew were so amazing. Shola Shobowale, I always tell her she's a mother because she actually played that motherly role on set. Dead Expensive, even though the name sounds so tough, but it's a comedy movie. It's just watch out for laughter, 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 and laughter. And also, the storyline is something to learn from.
My name is Nanyedi Awa Noba. I am a writer and a film director. I am also a member of the Directors Guild of Nigeria, DGN. I wrote and directed the movie Dead Expensive, which was produced by Isioma Mula. Dead Expensive is the movie that deals with death. And we pose one question before anybody sees this movie. How expensive should a dead person be? In the African tradition, you find out that when somebody dies, particularly when the person is old, they will keep the person for a very long time, spend a lot of money, buy goats, cows, kill and throw. In fact, the more money spent at the burial, the more honor, in quotes, people believe that the children or whoever is given to the dead person. Why make it difficult for the living? Because of the dead. That's the question. Okay? Now, analysis has proven that African traditions are really, really good. But it is those applying these traditions that sometimes make things a lot difficult. So, the story is simply trying to make everybody, particularly the young people, understand that our traditions are very lovely. We need to start applying them the proper way so that everybody will understand the depth and the true meaning of these traditions.
If any member of our family should die, don't expect anything. Go kill them!
Okay, you are saying that I should go and get an elephant because my late brother's title was Elephant of the Community. Assuming his title was Lion of Africa, you will tell me to go to the bush, get you a lion.
Hi, my name is Blessing Awa. I am the CEO and founder of ASEAN Natural Cosmetics, and I'm wearing Dress by Nello. My husband happened to be the director of this movie, Dead Expensive, and during the production, it was both rewarding to work with the crew, the cast of this movie, and right now I can't wait to actually watch what it actually came out to be because I am expecting a blend of Charles Onoje, Okon Lagos, and Mama Shola Shobowale. I expect it to be a blockbuster and actually to be very, very funny.
My name is Okoye Chinelo. I'm actually the costumier of this set, Dead Expensive, and I'm wearing my collection.
Freaky, freaky for you. Show me what you're into.
The inspiration behind my hair is actually because of the theme of the event, Go Wide with Your Culture. So I just came up with this and I think it looks good.
Hello, my name is Chinoe and I'm here for the movie premiere of Dead Expensive. I'm looking forward to watching Okon Lagos in his character and I'm hopeful that I'll enjoy myself. It is a gold dress. It was my friend Osedume that made it for me, and he's such a good tailor and he makes all my outfits.
My name is Mokmadu. I'm an Hollywood actor, a fashion designer. I'm expecting nothing short of a beautiful film. So I just hope tonight I will have fun as much as I expect. This is more clothing and was styled by me. I styled myself.
My name is Victor Okai, and I'm the National President of the Directors Guild of Nigeria. I'm quite excited to be at this premiere. This is a movie that's been directed by one of our young and very bright directors, Noba, and I can't wait to get in and have a great time. But the most important thing about this movie for me is the fact that it speaks to a very important issue in our society, the issue of funeral rights and the challenges that we as a people are faced with, harmful traditional practices. And I'm quite excited that one of us is, taking on this topic head on. And I'm expecting that this movie is not only going to be entertaining, I'm not expecting it to be only informative, but I expect it to also be transformational.
My name is Melvin Odua, and I'm a character in the movie Dead Expensive. Now, Dead Expensive is a wonderful movie to watch. Let me tell you why. Because it's a real life story. Now, the director wrote this movie just after he experienced something that happened to him. It tells us about what we go through in Nigeria here when we bury our folks, kind of things we go through in the village. Yeah, so it just happened to him, and when he got back, he wrote the script immediately. So there's a lot to learn from this movie. And apart from that, expect so much fun and laughter.
5,000 naira.
10,000 naira.
10,000. My dear, please give him 15,000 naira.
You gave me money to go and prepare food for them. Their father, when their father was alive, what did he do for you?
My name is Ime Bishop Umo. You all call me Okon Lagos. I actually loved my character, that of a stingy husband that had arguably some degree of financial common sense and would never want to be milked and exploited by very greedy village people in the name of customs, tradition, and culture of burying the dead.
Let me have my 25,000 naira.
10,000 naira.
10,000. My dear, please give him 15,000 naira.
You gave me money to go and prepare food for them. Their father, when their father was alive, what did he do for you?
All that you needed to have brains, you carried everything on your chest.
See. Stable. Big man barrier.
Yes.
So anything you want, I have.
Please give him sample.
If any member of our family should die, don't expect anything.
Kill them!
Okay, you are saying that I should go and get an elephant because my late brother's title was Elephant of the Community. Assuming his title was Lion of Africa, you will tell me to go to the bush, get you a lion.
My name is Patrick Uzo, and I'm the producer of the movie showing tonight titled Dysfunction. It's a Nevada Brit TV original. The story is a very striking one because it tells about the challenges of everyday people. The first time I read the script, what really struck me is how we see characters that society will term as the perfect person, but with a lot of that debt inside of them, and they're going through it and trying to get out of it to be actual perfect people.
Movie X is the place to be tonight. It's the open cinema. I got my headset on. They've taught me how to operate it. Now, let me tell you something, guys. I was originally invited for the first event they had. Winifred invited me, but I ended up going to the wrong event. I missed the yoga-themed event, so I said to myself, come rain, come shine, come tsunami, come hurricane, come anything, I go day here today. And that's why I carry my winch come here. My people, open cinema it is. I honestly can't wait to see what movie is going to be showing. I refuse to ask because I didn't want to know. I just wanted to be surprised. I'm going to make a lot of noise. They say silent skinny. When I they go silent disco with this kind of thing, they make noise. And the party don't start till they really walk in. I like the fact that it's a great networking opportunity. So much to drink, so much to eat. This has been like a high school reunion. I've seen people I haven't seen in a while. I'm like, you there, yeah, you there, yeah, you know. So, and I think it's a great initiative. And there's so much going on in the country right now. This is a beautiful way to unwind. So get your mask on, get your speaker, and let's go there and get the party started. Ain't tell me? Spice in the building, shining my cheekbones like no tomorrow. As you can see, you're highlighting me, gone. I'm the highlight to your contour.
Working with the crew, it's fantastic and everything, but translating a story that is as original, you have to make sure that everybody puts in their A game.
This is my first time of coming to Movie X, and I'm looking forward because I haven't been to a gathering where I get to sit on a nice, grassy field and watch an amazing movie, so we're excited.
In the name of God, please.
God? Do you think God is happy with you? Do you think God is happy with what you two are doing here?
All right, what do you want to know? My name is Yomi Black. I'm a filmmaker, producer, director, actor, bookwork, all that way they fight Chinese, you know what I mean? All right, so first of all, when I heard about Dysfunction, that name, Dysfunction, first thing that came to my mind was serial killer, some weird stuff, something that is definitely off the chains or off the works. So it's quite exciting coming here to see what that is all about. I know a bit about the director. I know he's dope. He's really into his art. So, I'm expecting a lot. And then from here, man, this place just reminds me of Dubai, man. It reminds me of like the safari where you get to sit down and chill, just watch. This is gonna be good, man. I'm excited and I want to see how it works.
Hi guys, it is Amaka. So good to see you. I'm on the red carpet for Movie X, and it happens to be my first time here at this beautiful scenery.
All have skeletons in our closets.
You know my work and you're disturbing my phone. What is the problem?
Hi, my name is Precious E. Matthews, and I'm here about to watch a movie Under the Stars. This is my first time here, and I have great expectations.
My name is Jayan, and this is
Biodu.
So this is Movie X, and we are here to have fun, for real.
For so long, I've been running away from love. Last I'm not falling in love.
Take it all in. Like your husband took my boyfriend the whole 7 inches.
Are you kidding me?
God knows that I wish the lubricants, the condoms, I wish he used them on another woman.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.